Hey everyone, it's Baldwin. This is the bell ringer from Monday, April 6th. Most of you did the beginning algebra correctly, but you ended up giving me an incorrect final answer. So I'm going to walk through this one with you. I'm going to start on the right-hand side of the equation. So the first thing I'm going to do is combine this 3 and 2, and I'm going to end up with x times 5 minus 13 plus x. When we simplify the right-hand side of the equation, we end up with 6x minus 13 because this x and the 5x combine to be 6x. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bring down what's on the left-hand side. So now I'm working with 6x minus 24 is equal to 6x minus 13. So now I'm going to subtract the 6x from both sides. And now I am left with negative 24 is equal to negative 13. Now, negative 24 is not equal to negative 13. So here, our answer is actually no solution. Now, where a lot of people missed that point is a lot of you told me x is equal to 0. That's not correct. If x were equal to 0, we could take this and plug it back in and get the same answer. That's not the case. When we have a situation where the left side of the equation is not equal to the right side of the equation, we have no solution. The answer is not 0. It is no solution. So that's the bell ringer. One other thing I want to add is when you guys are working through your ClassClick problems, what I would like you to do, most of you are doing this, but not everybody, when you go through and answer the questions, up here in the right-hand corner is this little hand symbol. I would like you guys to hit please check on every single problem so I know that you're done and I know I can come check your work. If you guys are working on your homework in steps or, at a little bit in the morning, a little bit later, that's fine. But what this check tells me, what your hand raise tells me, is that you're done and I can go in and make comments and approve your answers. Anything else, as always, reach out to me and Mrs. Ritter.